Module dependencies allow you to leverage a variety of technologies within your applications. And as people like VB authors, for example, know, it's very, very handy to be able to automate this as part of the installation process, as opposed to having to have your application do that on first run. So let's go ahead and take a look at how Setup Factory can help you do this. We're going to click on the Dependencies link in the Resources pane. As you can see, we're presented here with an empty screen, but we have an Add button where we can actually go ahead and click to add technologies to this dependency list. So we'll go ahead and choose the Visual Basic 6 technology for now, and we'll press OK. As you can see, there's a couple available in here. Additionally, you can click on this More Modules link in the right, the button, and that'll take you on the internet to the IndigoRose.com website, where you can find out more about other modules and how you can get a hold of them and leverage them within your projects. So let's go ahead and click on that Visual Basic 6 runtime, or module dependency rather, here, and go ahead and click on Edit, and we'll take a look at what we can edit. There's some different things here. For example, the actual file itself here in the Files tab, the installation script, and you can of course edit this. Particularly, we only recommend that to people who are experienced with the scripting, so that you don't get unexpected results. And here, of course, you can control which file is launched to install your technology, and dialogues and dialogue titles and so on and so forth. Basically, what this does is it allows you to create custom dependency modules for your own technologies, even a technology that you've invented, or any third-party technology. So it's very handy. You can come in here and edit your installation script, your detection script. We're under the detection tab now. As you can see, the script is geared towards detecting the correct DLL, and if not, triggering the installation. So for example, if you've created your own technology here, you can set up your own path to your DLL and so on and so forth, or you can edit existing modules too. So this is a really great feature of Setup Factory 7.0, which allows you to go ahead and leverage this for all your future projects, and you're not limited to just a couple of basic ubiquitous technologies. You can actually create custom dependencies for any technology. In the information section here, of course, you've got the information pertaining to this technology. Again, if you're entering information about your technology, you're going to want to instill confidence in your end user, so you're going to want to manage this information well. Now, if we go ahead and build this, I'm going to go ahead and publish this application, and we run it. This application is now set to detect my runtime files for Visual Basic, and in this case it has detected that the Visual Basic runtime files are in fact out of date, so we can go ahead and press OK to install this technology. As you can see here, it goes ahead and it installs it, and then it goes forward with our installation. So now when our application runs, for example, which in this case was probably written in VB Basic, or in VB rather, it'll run properly. We've got the proper runtime files. So that's a very, very handy feature of Setup Factory 7. I encourage you guys to check it out, and that's your dependencies. And of course, as Setup Factory 7.0 grows, and as the community grows, and the module library grows, you're going to be able to click this More Modules library button and go on the web and find ready-made modules for virtually all the ubiquitous technologies. So we encourage you to click on that button and go ahead and check it out.